Bam. I'm starting to read this nonfiction book. I've probably mentioned a couple of times that I like to read nonfiction in the morning and fiction in the evening, and this is called The Body Keeps the Score by Bessel van der Kolk. Enjoying the sunshine. Days are so much shorter now. Here's the situation. Okay, I'm getting a new mattress. And I'm gonna paint the room while it's clear. These paint swatches have been here for half a year. And I'm going with that deeper shade on the bottom. And I have it right here. We're ready.
Saw you paint a picture of a face, a face that wasn't even close to mine. I know I shouldn't be in love, but it's so hard to move on. You haven't changed, you stayed the same. But if you did, I'd still love you anyway. I'd give you the world like I promised I would, even though you wouldn't do the same. I'd give you the world like I promised I would, even though you wouldn't do the same.
I'm running off to my friend Sarah's house. I'll show you my outfit later. I have like a neutral beige look because I feel like it's very much Sarah's style. So I was like, this is for you. And she's gonna make dinner for us and we're gonna just chill. What is this called, what you're making?
떡국. Or we can also put dumplings in it if you want to make it 떡 만둣국. I got this when I first moved here and I was already cracked the bottle.
Yeah, like doing like a... Do you have kimchi?
No, I finished it.
Come on. 감사합니다. What do you say before you eat?
잘 먹겠습니다. Which is like,
잘 먹겠습니다.
it means like, oh, I'll eat well.
Yeah. That coat is cute too.
I bought these pants when I went to Japan with Claire. And to this day I still really like them.
Can you see everything that's getting?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Let's do it. I'm not the clean, like, let me get everything out of the way. I'm just more like, let me scooch all the crap onto this corner, paint this, and then move it all to this side and paint that. I have a new mattress here that I'm very excited about, which brings me to explain the sponsorship part of this video. Thank you so much to Birch Living for sending this to me and to sponsor this video. I talk a lot about wellness on this channel and taking care of oneself, especially being well rested. And I'm the kind of person that if I have 2 consecutive nights of poor sleep, I can fall ill. So I have to be very mindful about sleep quality. Birch is a premium mattress in a box company, and my box I threw out because it was soggy from the rain when I was bringing it in. But this here is the Luxe mattress, which is a premium upgrade to their well-loved original. Birch Living mattresses are made here in the US with sustainably sourced materials that are organic and natural, so it's allergen and mildew resistant. I love that it's non-toxic and eco-conscious. Birch is committed to being better to the planet, using no harsh chemicals, so it's safe especially for kids and elderly. And they also have so many third-party certifications like GOTS and Fairtrade certified that you can definitely read up on. So I tend to run hot in my sleep. Because of the natural material, it's breathable and cooling, which is great for that.
I've had it for 3 weeks now and I'm really enjoying this mattress. It is plush and just firm enough for me, so my sleep quality has gotten better and I'm relieved to know that I can count on getting good rest every night.
And I love that it shipped right to my door. It was easy to set up all by myself, and it's so plush and comfortable. I know I'm gonna love it for years and years. So if you're looking for a mattress as well, this is a great option for you to be able to reduce your environmental impact. This will ship right to your door free in the US, and you'll get 100 nights to trial it. If you don't like it and you're not completely satisfied, there's a program where you can get a full refund, and there's also a 25-year warranty on this. So to look up all that Birch has to offer, check out my link below, birchliving.com/Annabelle, and using that you can get $400 off of your mattress as well as 2 free pillows. Thank you so much again, Birch Living. Let's move on with the makeover.
But it was really good. We were originally gonna go to Xi'an Famous Foods, and then the line was too big. So.
Oh! Before.
Should I not look?
No, forget it, I can't do it. Like ah, sometimes it sounds like R. Like Angela. Or like
Or like no.
What?
You know, we were like no.
No, I didn't know that was because it was like a British accent thing.
Oh, I think it's Australian actually.
Oh,
sorry.
I didn't know it was like I thought it was just like a dinosaur, like roar, but no.
Love myself the most. I'm gonna be my own boyfriend. Is it good?
All done with court. I got coffee and a tiny bite to eat. I'm really relieved because that stuff is all settled, and now I'm at a strip mall because while I'm here I might as well do some shopping.
Had this conversation more than 10 times. After 9, I still wish you were mine. Haven't ate in 7 days, 'cause I've been up till 6 a.m. Wrote 5 songs all just for you. 3 of them I can't bear listening to.
Oh. The way they looked up at me when I first discovered them was so funny. They're like, may we help you?
Give you the world like I promised I would. Even though you wouldn't do the same. I'd give you the world like I promised I would. Even though you wouldn't do the same.
Is this your pre-sleep zoomies? Wow. I came back from court yesterday, and I'm not gonna go too much into why I had to go to court, but it's the second time. If you watch one of my notes videos, I'm gonna link it. I talk about it. So if you are caught up, basically everything is good. It was dropped and I can finally put it behind me, so no more commuting like 4 hours round trip to Stanford. The only good thing was, well, two things about going to Stanford. I'm like, it makes me happy to go to the city that the fictitious character Jim from The Office worked at for a year. I'm like, hey, at least I'm going to Stanford. Like, Jim worked here. And secondly, I was able to stop by some of the department stores, and it's more convenient to shop in that way. So I went to Home Goods and I found two velvet pillows that are this beautiful warm green, and they were on clearance because the seam popped. You don't have to worry, baby. I'm not gonna hurt you with it. Well, the main problem with this is that the zipper construction is completely falling apart, so I'm just gonna fix that up. Okay, so here is the current progress. I'm just gonna end the vlog here because oh, hi. You like it? I'm glad you do. I am very happy with the way it is layout. I'm gonna see if it works for me. I have like a new storage system for my clothes, and I guess I just have to test it out as I live day to day to see if it's gonna last. But I'm so happy about the bed because I think this is like my inner child. Ever since I was in middle school, I've always wanted a lot of pillows and it just to look like cover of a magazine of like 17 or like PB Teen. So thank you, Radia, for this lovely cherry. And this curtain is temporary. It's kind of crazy how well it matches with the wall. It almost seems like it's on purpose, but literally my sister came to visit me for my birthday. She brought this with her to cover up the kitchen window, and it's like the exact same size as this frame. It's like exact. It would be like flat. So it's been nice to use this because it really improves my sleep quality. Previously, I just used a piece of paper, if you look at my other vlogs. And I've been meaning to install these curtains I got ages ago from IKEA. It's velvet, also blackout curtain, and I think the dual panels is gonna look a lot more cozy, and I'm gonna hang it higher up too to kind of extend the feeling of height on the wall. But for now, I'm just gonna wrap the video up here. I think I made really great progress and I'm so happy with it already. Like when I come into this bedroom, it just looks like so well thought out, and my intentions for like creating a comfy and cute bed for myself just makes me happy and excited to go to sleep every day. And also like the mattress, I've been using it for a few nights now. It's really comfortable. So thank you again to Birch Living for sponsoring this vlog, and thank you for watching and supporting me. And for now, I'm gonna sign off and I'll see you next time. By the way, I also have installed a while ago like these hue lights, so it's really cool that the mood of my room changes. Like sometimes at night when I read, I put it to this yellow, and then sometimes I have like this like purplish one, but you can't really tell. This one's the easiest to see. It's my classic pink green combo. Okay, well, I love you. Bye.